Welcome to Smile Academy Portal tutorial. First step, enter your login details. If you don't remember them, you can click on the Forgot Password link to get new ones. Now let's create a new case by clicking on the Create button. Enter the case information including the dentist name, patient name, gender, and date of birth. If you don't know the date of birth, you can leave that option blank. Select if you need the case in 5:5, premolar to premolar, or 7:7, full arch. Pick the patient main concern. Select dual arch or single arch. Authorize the use of IPR, attachments, elastics, or temporary anchorage device. Specify if you want to correct the midlines or maintain them. Pick your preference for the attachment tray material, the aligner trim line, and finally summarize the orthodontic treatment goals and share all information we need to know, such as crowns, veneers, or implant locations if there are any. Then select which submission method you prefer. Let's pick the first one, allowing you to share the patient scan and photos directly on our portal. Now select the photos and drag and drop them to start the upload. Repeat the same for the scan, selecting the upper and lower arch. Note that you don't need to upload the bite as the data are hidden on both upper and lower STL files. Then click Next, confirm your clinic name and delivery address, tick the terms and conditions, and hit the Submit button. Congratulations, your order has been placed. It can take up to 3 business days to receive the design, but they are usually ready overnight. You will be notified by email once the treatment plan is ready. Now let's come back to the second submission method that allows you to simply share the patient's photos on our portal and share the patient's scan directly from your intraoral scanner. Follow the same method, drag and drop the photos into the portal and hit the button Next. We've got accounts with all brand of intraoral scanners. Once we receive the STL files from your scanner software, it will automatically be uploaded on our portal. At last, let's have a look at the third option. You don't have a scanner, but you have traditional impressions. Simply follow through and upload the patient photos only. Once the order is complete, send us the impression to our PO box address. Now let's have a look at our treatment planning software. First, we are going to click on View, then we are selecting one patient. We scroll down and click on Open 3D Viewer. In order to get a clear picture, let's click on the Enlarge icon and wait for the 3D viewer to load. If you click on the Patient Record button on the top left-hand side, you will be able to visualize all the patient photos that you uploaded when creating the case. On the top, you can click on different views such as occlusal view, side view, front view, etc. If you click on the play button, the animation will start and you will see the teeth moving aligner after aligner. If you click on the staging button, you will be able to see at what stages teeth are moving, when to perform IPR and place or remove attachments. You can read the treatment report highlighting all the instructions step by step. Keep in mind that you will also find these instructions in the aligner box as we are printing this document for you. You can hide or show the attachments. Superimpose the teeth from their initial position to the final expected position. You can display the grid to check the symmetry. Note that 1 square is equal to 1 by 1 millimeter. You can display the teeth numbering, IPR positioning, the occlusal heat map, you can visualize all the teeth movements data from the first to the last aligner, such as extrusion and intrusion, rotation, angulation, inclination, etc. You have access to other data such as the Bolton analysis, the initial and final overjet, the initial and final arch width, and more. The portal also offers you to share a 3D viewer link to the patient. In order to share that link, click on More and then Share. A window will pop up, and you will need to make sure the 4 options are unchecked, as shown in this video. Then click the Copy Link button and paste the link into an email to send to the patient. If you want to approve a case, click on the Approve button at the bottom right of the screen. If you want to ask for a redesign, simply type your redesign instructions and click on the Reject button. We also give you the option to modify the treatment plan directly on the portal. For that, click on the Modify Plan button. To change the position of the tooth, click on Fine Tune, select a tooth, and change its position by selecting the movement in the menu and click on the right or left arrow. If you click on the Gizmo button, you will see a direction arrow appearing. You can drag that arrow to move the tooth in the desired position. If you click on the Multi-Plane button, you will see all the multi-directional movement options available for that tooth. Then just drag the tooth in the direction you want. You can also modify the attachments and elastics on the plan. If you want to delete an attachment, click on it, do a right-click and select Delete. If you want to add a new attachment, click on one of the attachment icons and place it on the desired tooth. Once you're happy with your modifications, click on the Submit button. Let's see how we can compare 2 treatment plans. First, we click on the Plan 2 box, so minimize the text, and then we click on the Split View icon on the right side of the Plan 1 box. You can then compare the 2 different views. If you've shared a CBCT scan with us via services such as WeTransfer, OneDrive, or Dropbox, you will be able to visualize your patient's jaw and roots, giving you greater accuracy in treatment planning. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to contact our team if you have any questions.